Okay, good day. This is a Revolution FX Strategy speaking. And this is yet again our weekly recap. And this week we started trading on Tuesday. And as you can see, our first trade was German 30. The signal was a buy. And then as you can see, this was the analysis. So we expected the market to reject there where we put buy here. Okay. And then as you can see, okay. And our first trade was lost because the bearish momentum was still very strong. So the stop loss was hit here. The second day, Wednesday, we took our UK 100 buy. And there is our entry there. As you can see, buy here. We've got our TP1 and our TP2. And another one was a Nasdaq. Nasdaq also a buy. Okay, as you can see, buy here. And then those are the levels there. Okay, and a few minutes we were in profit. Okay, Nasdaq was in profit, and also UK 100, as you can see, was also in good profit. Okay, so now when I analyzed the market, I realized that the market is now primed for a reversal. So meaning that UK 100 was about to go are very bearish because of the fundamentals. So that's why I say take profit on UK 100 and close all positions. And this is what I did, as you can see from this video. I posted the video on YouTube. So that is where I realized that this market is now going for a sell. And then from there, it fell all the way down. Okay, and then we took a German 30 sale. Okay, so now on this one, this was a very tricky trade because we were going against our RFX strategy. But when I looked at the resistance, I realized that our money candle for a buy was actually at the candle that is actually established the resistance as a support, so that the market was actually primed for a sale. As you can see here, RFX strategy. But now on the signal, I did say, please use good risk management. We are trading against the RFX strategy. Okay, so now this was the signal for a sale. Okay, so you see the resistance is 10 support. There is our stop loss there, and then on that same candle that we're supposed to buy, according to the RFX strategy, we sold on that one. Okay, and then the market from there, it just fell all the way down. As you can see, we were in profit here. And always, like I always say, no one ever got broke by taking profit. So when you are happy with profit, you see, when we put a TP1, TP2, those are just guidelines. We are not saying the market by force it has to reach that level. No, we are saying that we anticipate the market to reach that zone. But anywhere in between your entry and the TP1, if you are satisfied with your profit, you take your profit. Okay. So now another one was a Nasdaq sale, almost the same setup with German 30. As you can see, resistance, 10 support. We've got our stop loss there, and then sell. You see our money candle there, and then let's see what happened. And the market again fell all the way down. So we see a Nasdaq in good profit. Okay, and then we've got German 30. You see it's falling all the way down. Okay, so we're in deep profit on this one. So now we had to move our stop loss to break even and then take off a few layers. Like we always do, how we grow our account, take off a few layers and move your stop loss to break even on the remaining positions. Okay, so now because I had a lot of people complaining about this broker Trade 245 for refusing to pay withdrawals. Okay, so I actually deposited some money on this broker and traded also with them. And I'll say Actually, when you are trading indices with these ones, it pays very well. But remember, I do not recommend South African brokers because they might start working fine, but in the long run, anything can happen. So this is only if you are willing to risk a certain amount of money on your side, you can risk it. But when I did my withdrawal, surprisingly, they paid it within a day. So for that, I actually for my first experience with them, there's nothing bad I can say about them now because uh, their Nasdaq or all the indices they pay very well. And what I'm impressed about is that the withdrawal they paid it on the same day. So I'll continue giving them a try until I start having problems with them. So this is not an endorsement that you must use this broker. No, I am doing this as an experiment for myself because with the history that I've had with South African brokers, I do not recommend them. Especially most of the people are trading with their last money. You wouldn't want to put your 20,000 in a broker, and turn that 20,000 into maybe 500,000 and fail to withdraw that 500,000. You see, that would depress you. But if you've got maybe a 10,000 or a 20,000 to spare, you can put it and try it, knowing that it is not your last money. Even if you lose it, or even if you turn it to 1,000,000 and then they refuse to pay you, anyway, you know that you expected that. You see, so that is all I can say about this broker. But all in all, I made a deposit, traded with them, made a withdrawal. They paid withdrawal within a day. Okay. So all in all, we had a very productive week. But unfortunately, the market on Friday, I realized in the evening that it moved very well, and I was so busy I couldn't actually give signals on Friday. So this was our actually last entry. As you can see, there's